Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I wanna show you how to power off on your Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. So guys, I wanna tell you two methods to power off your phone. Method 1, you can power off your phone with key combination. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button together like this. And now you can power off your phone very easy. And the method 2, you can power off with control panel. Open your control panel or control center and you can tap in this icon. And now you can power off your phone very easy. Click power off. Tap again to turn off your phone. Yep, successfully. And to power on, you can push it long on the power button like this. And wait a minute, your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.